When installing your upper end wall girts, it may be necessary to extend the end wall column up to the end wall track using a back-to-back track. This is done to maintain the girt spacing on 2-foot 0-inch centers. This requirement will be noted on your W drawings. You may also refer to the standard detail drawing, DS6, provided in the packet of information received at building delivery. The track used to construct the end wall extension will match the depth of your girts. In this example, we're using a 3 5/8 inch deep girt, so you'll use the track that is 3 5/8 inch deep. To determine the length of your back-to-back track, measure from the top of the inside of the end wall track to at least 6 inches below the top side of the end wall column. Mark this measurement on your 2 tracks and cut. Once cut, place the 2 tracks back to back, ensuring they're flush on both ends, and attach with 6 number 12 Tech screws. To install the back-to-back member, nest the top inside the end wall track as shown here. The bottom of the back-to-back member is attached to the outside legs of the end wall column with 4 number 12 Tech screws, 2 into one angle of the column and 2 into the other angle of the column as shown. Once attached, you're ready to finish installing your upper end wall girts into the back-to-back track. Be sure to check out our upper end wall girts installation video for more details. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.